Welcome to day 12 of the 30-day morning yoga challenge. Today's class is a 15-minute upper body tension relief. For this class, you will want to have a few pillows or a big pillow that you can fold. And of course, you can have a few more pillows nearby just in case you'd like to modify in a few other poses. We'll begin on our knees, walking the hands forward, taking the forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Here you can modify by placing pillows underneath the hips, between the hips and heels. You can even place a few pillows underneath the torso for added height. Drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back. Allowing the arms to be heavy, softening the hands. We'll draw the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back and the side body with each breath. Exhale, softening the hips and the feet and the toes. And we'll gently release, coming into a tabletop pose, except we'll walk the hands all the way towards the top of the mat, keeping the hips over the knees. We'll begin to find some organic movement here by just lowering the chest, maybe rocking side to side. You can circle the hips. Just making your way lower towards the mat here. Feel free to stay with your organic movement, or you can take the forehead or chin to the mat for puppy pose. Resting here a few moments, observing the body, observing the breath. We'll gently release, crossing the ankles and coming to our seat. Any seat that feels best for you. Taking the left hand straight out so your wrist is in line with the shoulder. And we'll draw the fingertips up towards the sky, pressing into the palm of the hand, almost like you're pressing it into the wall. You can also do this by a wall if that feels better. As you exhale, point the fingertips down towards the mat. Slow inhales, slow exhales will move with the breath, drawing the fingertips up. Inhale. As you exhale, drawing the fingertips down. We'll do this a few more times. On your next exhale, go ahead and plant the hands straight out towards your left. Feel free to keep a slight bend in the elbow if it's too intense. Resting here, or go ahead and draw the right ear towards the right shoulder. You can stay right here. You can begin to find a bit of movement by rocking the head forward and back, keeping that right ear towards the right shoulder. Gently release, we'll shake it out, take a moment. And when you're ready, we'll switch arms. So just taking that right wrist in line with the right shoulder. Inhale, pointing the fingertips up. Exhale, point them down. Continue moving with the breath. We'll do this a few times. And we'll go ahead and plant that right hand towards the mat, towards the ground, straight out, or keep a gentle bend in the elbow. Option to rest upright or begin to draw the left ear towards the left shoulder. You can find some movement if that feels good today. We'll release, take a moment, shake it out. And we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, taking a twist towards your left. Inhale to sit tall. Exhale, soften the shoulders. Inhale the hands back up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards your right. Once again, grounding through both sit bones, sit tall, lengthening through the spine. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale, reaching the hands back up overhead. We'll go ahead and grab opposite hand, wrist, or elbow, wherever you're at today. Lengthening through the spine, lifting through the sternum, soften the shoulders, and begin to tuck your tailbone to keep a nice neutral spine. Drawing the breath into the chest. And again, just exhaling, softening the shoulders, sighing out any tension here. Release the hands and we'll go ahead and grab our pillow. I'm going to fold mine today. If you have a few pillows that you can stack, that's great. If not, just fold your pillow and we're going to place it between the mid back and upper back. I like to have my head kind of hanging off the edge of it just to pull my spine a little. Allowing your hands to rest beside you. Palms facing up. We'll begin to draw the breath into the chest. Maybe splaying out the rib cage as you inhale. Exhaling, softening the upper back and the shoulders, softening the ribs. Allowing the arms to be heavy, hands to be heavy. Continue drawing the breath into the chest, and with each exhale, completely surrendering here. You can rest right here or take hands to heart center, interlace your fingers, and just reaching the hands up overhead. Getting a bit of a deeper stretch here. Continuing to draw the breath into the chest. And we'll gently release. Take your time removing the pillow. And we'll come back to laying on our backs. Hugging the knees towards the chest. You could stay here hugging the knees, or you can grab the outer edges of the feet and just gently rock side to side. Option to open the feet for happy baby pose. Again, you can rock side to side. Giving yourself one last hug here, big squeeze. And we'll plant the feet on the mat, elbows in line with the shoulders, allowing the knees to rest against each other. Just taking a moment here in a modified Shavasana. Taking a moment to soak in the practice and to feel the body in its fully relaxed state. We'll rest here a few more moments. Gently begin to wake up the body, rocking the knees side to side. Maybe giving yourself a big hug here. When you're ready, we'll roll over towards our right. Full inhale. And exhale. Come to a comfortable seat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.